What if the people already engaging with a LinkedIn post could become a structured audience list in seconds? In this real test, an Apify actor returned 35 engaged profiles in 5 seconds for a finalized cost of just 5.25 cents. A reaction is not automatically a qualified lead, but it is a useful signal. Someone chose to engage with a topic, company, launch, or opinion. The problem is that names and professional context remain scattered inside LinkedIn. This actor turns that visible engagement into rows you can actually review. The tool is LinkedIn Posts Engagers by scraping solutions running on Apify. At the time of verification, its store page showed a 5 out of 5 rating, 2 reviews, about 930 total users, 129 monthly users, and pricing from $1.10 per thousand results. Always verify current pricing on the live page. The marketing value starts with post selection. Choose content connected to your target market. A product launch, an industry problem, a competitor announcement, or a specialist discussion. The post topic creates an initial qualification signal. You can then analyze campaign audiences, research B2B roles, compare content performance, or discover relevant professionals. The current input is simple. Add one or more public LinkedIn post URLs, choose a result limit, and select likers, commenters, or reshares. Notice that the Live Input tab uses the field URLs in plural. The actor README may still show an older schema, so use the current form or API example when configuring a run. For this evidence run, I selected one public post from Apify, requested likers, limited the output to 100 results, and applied a maximum charge of 25 cents through the API. The run succeeded in 5 seconds and returned every available liker for that post. 35 profiles at a final cost of $0.0525. Each result became one dataset row. The observed fields were interaction type, name, professional headline, LinkedIn profile, URL, and the source post link. Those fields are enough to understand who engaged and begin qualification. Personal names and profile links are masked in this video, and the raw export stays private. Do not judge an export by row count alone. In this sample, all 35 rows included a name, professional headline, and profile URL with 0 duplicate profile links. That complete coverage makes the dataset easier to filter, segment, and enrich, with responsible research before any outreach. Here's the practical workflow. First, filter by role and relevance. Second, group people by persona, seniority, or industry. Third, research the company and the context behind the interaction. Finally, prioritize the combination of fit and demonstrated interest. The export is the starting point for thoughtful marketing, not permission to send generic spam. Start small because the best post is not always the one with the most reactions. A niche post can produce fewer profiles, but stronger relevance. Use cost and item limits, validate field coverage, compare several posts, and follow privacy rules, platform terms, and applicable law. Pricing and availability can change. To test the same workflow, open the first link in the description. It takes you directly to the actor on Apify through an affiliate link at no additional cost to you. Begin with one public post and a small limit. Inspect the audience signals and decide whether this actor fits your marketing or research process.